Hey guys, welcome to Glitchy Blogs. And if y'all don't know what Glitchy Blogs is, we're just basically a channel which we play Roblox games. Specifically Roblox games, yes. And we're always looking out for very underrated games or even popular games. And so, if you ever have like any suggestions, we will always try to take them. And I really hope that you have a really good time. I'm here with my friend Winter.
Hope you like the video.
I found this awesome game called Hammers. And apparently it's like really good. So, I think it's multiplayer or there's like a lot of people. So, okay. Mini game. Okay, so I decided, as in like right now, this second, for the goal of this video is to win as Jaggernaut. I realized as soon as I saw this, I needed to be Jaggernaut. Yes, yeah. So we're gonna try to win a game of Jaggernaut. That sounds cool. Yes. All right, let's get to it. Like a hammer. Not too sure, but let's go. This portal thingy. Oh, whoa. They look scary. Oh, goodness. So, based off what I'm seeing right now, I think we gotta hit them. Oh, we're gonna hit him off. Ooh, we're good at this. Oh. He just jumped right on off. Oh. Glitch. Oh, well, I didn't get a chance to try it. But I think basically the game of it is just hit people off, get money, and then use that to buy hammers, I think. Ow. And this dude keeps trying to hit me. Ooh, join. Ooh, okay. Alright. Jaggernaut, you're the fighter. Alright. Oh, whoa. Ow. I'm gonna stay back. Let's stay back for a while. We're gonna, like, heal up. Just watch how he fights, you know? Or what are these? Alright, why not? Let's fight with these. Sure. Oh, no. Okay, we're gonna back it up. It's getting too dangerous. Okay, so I think our strategy is just get these and like blow them up and stuff, you know? Well, why not, I guess. Okay. I think he leveled up. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we're getting him. Ooh, okay. Not bad. Ow. Goodness. Okay. We're gonna like back up and just let's look. Ooh, we got plenty. All right. Ow. Okay, well, ow. Ow, we keep getting hit. Oh no. No! Ugh, okay. Oh, I think I did more damage. Nice. Okay. So, I guess with all that money, oh, oops, I literally just ran right into it. I guess we can like get something from here. Ooh, we got 5,000 so we can keep on going. Ooh, we don't have enough. Alright, let's do this. Oh, it doesn't waste my money. How nice. Okay, how nice. Alright, so, sure, let's do that then. I wonder what this is. Ooh, I like it. It's a big upgrade. You know what? I'm gonna protect that girl. Ow. Oh, she don't need protecting. She doesn't need protecting. She's good. Oh. I don't think she needs protecting though. She looks like she's got it. She looks like she's got it. So we just keep on hitting people and then we'll get points. Okay. I'm not gonna... Ow! Okay. I got small? Hello? No, man, I didn't get to hit him. Okay. Oh, okay. I didn't go anywhere. No! Ugh. Okay. Dude, I didn't even get to do anything. Oh, well. Alright, so, I guess we just... Why are they jumping over the edge? I guess it's the fastest way to go. Oh, I hit that poor mannequin guy thingy. Okay. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Oh, he's being chased. Alright, okay. I want that one. That one's nice. The like lava thingy. That one's nice. And just have to keep on hitting them. Just keep on hitting them. No! Ugh. Okay. Well, we got a few more until we can like... Oh wait, no, we got enough to level up. Let's just get a few more, what are those? CRs? Points? Oh well. Who knows? Who knows? Alright. Yay! No! Alright. There we go. We got him. Oh. Yay! So we just keep on hitting him until we get hit off. Oh, but I got a lot of points. Okay. Let's go back. We should have... Oh, I ran right into that. Which one's the one that we have? We have this one, so let's get this one. I'm curious on what this one is. Oh wait, we don't have enough. Oh my god. I'm so silly. I thought we had enough. But we need... Oh, let's check these. Alright then, let's do King of Hell, I guess. Okay. Oh, he's getting hit. No! I got hit off the edge. Hello? Well, that's okay. Alright, so it's going on. I don't think it does much, does it? Like, I don't know. Like, guys, hello? Depends on who it lands on. Ooh, okay. We're hitting him. We're hitting him. Ow! No, that's no fair. That is not fair. Ooh, Jackanut. Okay, let's join them. Ooh. Oh, I am? Okay. I can't see anything. Alright. We're just gonna casually eliminate this guy. Alright, watch this. Watch this. Ow! But yeah, we got him. We totally got this in the bag. Watch this. Hold on. Wait, no, we can't hit him off the edge, can we? Oh. Okay, so... Alright. We got this. Hello? My power. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got him. He keeps getting hit. He's in the midst of all of this. He's not gonna get me. No. I'm not gonna let him. I'm not gonna let him. No. Do we have to wait until he dies or something? Wait, no, we gotta like last until then. We gotta last until like a minute in like a certain amount of seconds. Alright. Alright. See, we're hitting them. We got this. We got this. We got this in the bag. Just keep making him get hit, and he's not going to be able to hit me. Great. Yay. Is he okay? Hello? Alright. When we get to the final seconds, I'm going to do like a New Year's countdown. Okay. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I won! Woo! We got this, yes. Okay, well, I'm glad it ended with me winning, yes, winning. So, that's all, and bye, peace. So, hey guys, one final note, if you have any suggestions for games, please let me know in the comments. I will try to play them all, but now it's goodbye. That's the end of the video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.